Today we introduce this Audi A4L. This system is MIB system. This car year is between 2017 to 2019. Now we introduce this is our Android menu. You can go to applications. You can install any app you like, such as YouTube, YouTube Music, Play Store, and Google. Now we go to the media, play the music. You also can play the video. This 5.3-inch wood film is very good. It supports original camera. You also can add the aftermarket camera. You can use CVBS or HD camera. You can connect to the Wi-Fi, connect to your phone hotspot. After connecting the Wi-Fi, then we can surf in the internet. This unit has built-in storage. You can choose 64 GB storage. You also can choose the 128 GB storage. It's optional. You also can plug in USB. It supports either two-way USB. And you can put the SD card. Now we connected the wireless CarPlay. You can use the map function. We also can play the online music, and we can make the call. You also can check your contacts. We can say to the Siri, "Hi Siri." Now we touch the car, back to our engine menu. It's dashboard info. It can show the headlight info, door info, temperature info, handbrake info, RMP info, and speed info. This navigation function we can set it in navigation. If you install the offline maps or online maps, you can choose setting here, such as I use the wireless CarPlay map option. Choose the dating file and the touch navigation. Then you can use quick go to the CarPlay maps function. Of course, it also supports multi-language. You can set in any language or set in your country.